So guys, as you can see, my brakes badly squeal. Crazy. Under hard braking, there's no noise. Don't mind me, I know I don't have my seatbelt on, but I'm right down the road from my house. But look at that, no noise. The brakes are really hot. I just did a really hard stop. No noise whatsoever. With the brake pads that are on the car now, I can't do anything. These are track pads. They're designed literally for the track. They don't squeak when they get hot, but when you're doing a slow stop, like in town, pulling up to a gas pump, pulling up to a stop sign, pulling up to a red light, anywhere you go, makes that god-awful sound. So, to alleviate that problem, we have some posi-quiet brake pads. So we'll see how good these work. I got front and rear. Let's go install these things so I don't have to listen to this anymore. All right, so old pads, new pads. I went ahead and I already pressed in the caliper, so I chipped up the paint, which sucks. But I don't have any of this nice quiet putty crap to put on the back, so I'm just gonna use this disc brake quiet, and I'm gonna just spray it on the back of both the pads and slide them in place, put them on, reclamp everything down. And once that's done, we'll flip over to the other side, do the same thing. Alright, guys, it's 94 degrees today. The humidity is beyond belief, but we got them on. It only took me like, what I think, 25 minutes. Not bad. So they're really not hard to do at all. They're fairly straightforward. But anyways, gonna take it down the road, see if we have some relief, because I'm so sick of loud brakes. I'll be honest with you, if I go down the road and I hit the brakes and they squeal anywhere near as loud as those did, I'm gonna be so upset. Here we go, first test. Oh my, look at that, look at that. Oh, dead silence, and I only did the fronts. I didn't touch the back. Okay, so I did some minor stops and no squeakage yet. So let's do like a medium stop up here and see what it does. If we have dead silence, I'm gonna be so happy. Oh, we got just a little squeak right at the end. I didn't bed them in yet. I didn't break them in. I didn't do anything. But they seem to be working very good. So I'm gonna get these brakes heated up, do a couple stop tests, bed them in, and see where we're at from there. All right, guys, so I bed in the brakes, I put them through their paces, and we did really great. So the brakes don't squeak at all anymore. As you can see, I just pulled up to a stop in my garage and not a single tweet out of them. So I'm so happy. Posi-quiet brakes, my new favorite thing in the world. Like I said, and they still got great stopping power. When I was bedding them in, they still bit really hard, especially once they were warmed up. But I let them cool down, tried some smaller, softer stops and no squeakage. Tried some harder stops, no squeakage. So I think we're good to go. I'm so happy that I got rid of those other brakes. And I believe these are semi-metallic, and the brakes that were on the car before were full metallic brakes. So definitely a big difference there. So I'm super happy about that. I'm glad that my car doesn't squeak anymore, because that was probably the most annoying part of it. But yeah, so anyways, I can finally enjoy driving the car again. I don't have to listen to it squeak. So yeah, that's great. So, but that's gonna be it for today's video, guys. I appreciate you taking the time to check it out, and hopefully I'll have more content for you on the way. And until then, I'll see you guys in the next one.